guys, it's Carolyn and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. In today's video, I am trying out the 5-minute cleaning challenge. I've seen this a few places on YouTube and I thought it looked really fun. And how it works is all you do is give yourself 5 minutes and 5 minutes only to clean an entire room in your house. I decided to do 6 rooms. I spent 30 minutes cleaning, and let me know in the comments how you think I did. So I'm getting started in my kitchen, and as you can see, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. I knew that I would not be able to get it all done in 5 minutes, but I'm going to try my hardest to get as much done as I can. So the biggest thing that I wanted to tackle was the dishes. I just think it makes the kitchen look a lot messier when there are a ton of dirty dishes laying around. So I'm just going to be loading them up in my dishwasher and trying to wash as many as I can. And as you can see, I have a huge island. It's like a magnet for crap. So I'm going to do my best to kind of clear that off as much as I can, but I've never in my life been able to clean my kitchen in 5 minutes, and we just finished having breakfast, so there's just a lot of stuff going on here, but hey, I did my best.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade.
So here's how it looks at the end of the 5-minute timer. Yes, there is still a lot of clutter, and I really wish I could have wiped down the countertops, but hey, at least I got the dishes done. Next up is my dining room. Now, we don't use this room an awful lot, but it is the first room you see when you first walk into the house. So this just naturally is the area where we kind of unpack all the packages we receive. And if you're anything like me, you receive a package pretty much every single day. God bless Amazon Prime. So that's what took up the majority of the time. I'm just breaking down all the boxes that I get, and I can stick those outside in the recycling. This actually took quite a while. I'm pretty upset that I didn't get to do more because this took me so long to kind of like break all those down. But otherwise, once those were all broken down, I just kind of had to like clear out the clutter, and that actually didn't take me very long at all. So I was able to do a really quick vacuum in this room with my cordless Dyson, so I was really excited about that.
Who saved you from this hard place? We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane.
All right, moving on to my living room. I actually had really high hopes for this room because my kids have a giant playroom and they are not supposed to be keeping toys in this room, but somehow they just kind of like migrate in here all throughout the day. So I'm just kind of like piling up all the toys into this little toy crib and just setting that aside, and hopefully we'll be able to bring that down into the playroom in the basement. So there was a bunch of cars. I'm just throwing them in that bin. That can get carried downstairs. And I also have this little area I wanted to tidy. This is an area I need to figure out something to do with. We have a pool, so all sorts of like pool towels and bathing suits and things kind of get piled up in this corner. So I need to figure out a way to store those a little bit better. But for now, I just kind of like folded them up and tucked them in the corner. And then the last thing I wanted to do was tidy up this little art area. My kids do Play-Doh, kinetic sand, drawing, painting. So it gets pretty cluttered. So I'm glad I had time to kind of like tidy this up.
Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. We could have the world.
So overall, I'm pretty disappointed. I thought I'd be able to kind of get everything off the floor, which I didn't, but it's definitely an improvement from where we started. So moving on to my bedroom, as you can see, lots of clutter, things need to be put away and organized. But since I only have 5 minutes, I'm going to start by making my bed. I just think having the bed made makes the room look so much neater, especially since our bed is really the focal point of the room. So once I get the bed made, It looks so much better and I can focus on a few other things. I was able to put away all my clean laundry that I had on my dresser, get rid of all the dirty laundry into the hamper, and just kind of tidy up my husband's nightstand, which always has a bunch of stuff on it.
To ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade.
This right here is our master bathroom, and I will take pretty much all the blame for how messy this bathroom gets. I have a lot of products. I love skincare products, hair products, makeup products. So those definitely get cluttered on our vanity pretty much every single day. So once I'm able to kind of like tidy that all up, put them all away, I was able to not only wipe down all the surfaces, but I was also able to clean the mirrors. So that was great because they had some toothpaste spatters. And then the last thing that I really wanted to do in this bathroom was clean the glass shower door. I don't know what was going on this week, but there were so many watermarks and kind of like soap scum buildup on it. It looked really bad. So I'm glad I had like 45 seconds all the way at the end of my 5-minute timer, and I was able to quickly get that done.
I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta.
The last room I'm going to be tackling in this 5-minute cleaning challenge is my kids' bathroom. This doesn't get too messy because they're pretty young. All they really do is take a bath and brush their teeth in here. So I was able to not only wipe down the mirrors, I was also able to clean out their sink, which really needed it. And I decided to prioritize cleaning their toilet. My son is potty trained. Well, my husband's potty trained too, but my son is potty trained. So if you have a little boy who's potty trained, you know the toilet needs to be cleaned pretty regularly. So I was able to wipe that down and clean out the bowl, which it really needed. This has to get done way more than I'm able to do it. And then the last thing I did was kind of just like tidy up the storage cabinet that we have. I'm actually going to be reorganizing and decluttering this in an upcoming Declutter Like a Mother video. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you are, because those decluttering videos are some of the most popular videos on my channel. But that is it. It took me 30 minutes. I was able to clean 6 rooms, 5 minutes each, and I think I did pretty good. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me a comment if you are going to be giving this 5-minute cleaning challenge a try, and let me know how you made out. I'll see you guys on Friday with another brand new video. Bye!
Trust me, I won't let you down.